Friday, August 1st. Well, it looks like my 15 minutes of fame are finally over. Yes, it was a mind-blowing experience to be the opening act for the Bad Boys, a world-famous boy band. I was heartbroken along with millions of their fans when they ended their tour early to take a break. Now I'm stuck at home for the rest of the summer, and my life is pretty much back to normal. Normal meaning extremely boring. So, for a little excitement, my bandmates and I agreed to do a free concert tonight for our local summer fun fest. Hey, the $100 gift cards they offered us from the cupcakery made it possible to refuse. We were performing after Pickles the Juggling Clown and before my neighbor Mrs. Wallabanger and her fierce squad of elderly belly dancers. Repros. Like, how hard could this gig be? Unfortunately, my frenemy, Mackenzie Hollister, has a really bad habit of popping up at the worst possible time, like a huge pus-filled zit that magically appears on the end of your nose. On your way to school, on picture day, I quickly pulled the curtain back over my head. All I wanted to do right then was dig a really deep hole, crawl into it, and die. I had a complete meltdown. My worst nightmare had come true, or had it? Whenever I got super stressed about something, I always have a bad dream about it. Like the time I had a horrible nightmare about my birthday party. I dreamed that Madeline accidentally pushed my head first into my birthday cake, so it was very possible that my chaotic concert catastrophe was only a nightmare. And any second now, I was going to wake up in my bedroom, drenched in cold sweat, totally relieved that it was all just a figment of my imagination. Please, let all of this be a really bad dream. Saturday, August 2nd. When I woke up this morning, I slowly opened my eyes. The sun was shining, and the birds were chirping. Oh my God, I felt so relieved for 2 seconds. Then the horrific memories of that concert came whooshing back in a huge tidal wave, like someone had flushed a toilet inside my brain. Unfortunately, it wasn't all just a bad dream. I remember every single detail like it was yesterday. Wait, that was yesterday. Our concert was surreal. I could not believe the stage curtain actually fell on us. It was like we were suddenly covered by a humongous, freakishly dark cloud of doom. I remember thinking the only good thing about this very bad situation was that it couldn't possibly get any worse. But I was wrong. Things got a lot worse. Someone made a public announcement that our performance was a total disaster. And then she actually wondered aloud if